Okay, ji, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope all of you are able to listen to me and all of you are able to see the screen. We are going to discuss about linking. It was the topic that we were doing last time, and if you remember, you know that we had created a page where we discussed about how we can link, and we discussed about different properties and attributes which are used with the linking option. The topic is given in our book in the chapter that we are studying currently, chapter 4, tables, links and frames in HTML5. And we have done our work for tables. Now we had started linking last time, and in linking we said that basically there are three types of links. How many types of links are there? Three types of links. So what are those links? Okay, who would like to reply for this? Just raise the hand quickly so that we can move ahead towards today's work. How many types of links are there? I had told you there are three types. This student Maaz, M-O-A-Z, Maaz, who has not mentioned the class. I'm going to unmute you, Maaz. Will you please tell me your class?
I'm P3.
Yes, Maaz.
Sir, I forgot to mention my class when I came in. I forgot.
You are in which class?
P3C.
P3C. What is your full name?
Yes. Maaz Asamuddin.
Sorry?
Maaz Asamuddin.
Okay. Mention with your name. I will check in the attendance. Acha ji. So, yes, please raise the hand who will tell me what are basically the three types of the links. What kind of links are there that we can create in an HTML document? Yes, please. Yes, Rafe has raised the hand. Yes, Rafe Saeed.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Yes,
Sir,
please.
there are three types of links internal. Sir, there are three types of links: internal link, local link, and global link.
Can you differentiate them?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, the internal link, a link to a point on a current page. Sir, the link which is on a current page. Sir, the local link, a link to another page on the same website. Sir, when we just take the mouse to that link, that's known as local, and the global link, a link to a page on different website.
Okay. मतलब ये है कि internal link on the same page, number one. Okay. Number two.
Yes, sir.
Number two is basically local link on different page but on the same website. On different page but on the same website. For example, on the same website you are clicking contact us or about us or home page on the same website. But external link, when you are clicking such a link which is leading you towards another web page. Okay. So these are basically the three types of the links that we are using, and we had done work on one type which is global link, and we had created, last time what was the work that we had done. We created this link, search on the net. This was the topic that we did last time, and when we click on it, it is leading us towards the global page, another website which is google.com. How did we code it? What were different attributes that we used? As we said that, okay, there are some different attributes that we are using. So the tag which is there that we use to link is basically A for anchor. Anchor tag is used. In the anchor tag, there is href. Href is basically hyperlink reference, that particular website that is you are going to access. And between these opening and closing tag, means between the anchor tag where we are opening anchor tag and closing anchor tag, we have mentioned the text. Okay, we have mentioned the text on which you will click to go to the google.com. Okay. When we are clicking a text on a link, then there are some colors, colors of the text, which is basically a linked text. Who will tell me about those colors? Okay, basically what type of basically what type of links are there when we are clicking the links? So then what is basically the behavior of the colors? We had discussed about 4 types. Quickly tell me so that we can move ahead towards the next topic. Yes, please. At least you should try. Even if you don't remember, you should try. You should try and you should remember. Even if your answer is not 7% correct, but you should try. Okay. Yes. Please raise the hand. Yes. Again, Rafi Saeed, no, someone else. Some other student should tell about it. Quickly, raise the hand. Okay, Habib Haider. Habib Haider, can you tell about it? Any other student? We had discussed about the colors, links, how many types of properties are there that we mention in the head. Yes, Rafi Saeed. Yes,
Sir,
Rafi
there are
Saeed.
4 types, sir: standard link, visited link, active link, and hover link.
Good, good, Rafi. Rafi, you are telling from the book or you remember?
Sir, I remember.
You remember, good. It means he is not reading from the book. He remembers. So all the students should remember that we discussed about standard link. Standard link when you have not clicked it. Standard link. Then visited link. When you have already clicked it. When you have clicked it, it can change its color, its behavior. Then active link. Active link is that when you uh, bring the when you press the mouse over it. Hover is when you bring the mouse on it. Hover, mouse over. And active is when you keep your mouse pressed. Okay, for example, in this case, by default standard color is search on net. You are able to see the search on net. This page is visible to you. Abdul Rafi, this page is visible. Rafi
Yes,
Saeed.
sir.
Okay, fine. So when it is a standard link, it's green. Okay, when I bring the mouse on it, this is hover. This is called hover. Mouse over. When I press it, now I have pressed it. I have not released. It is yellow. This is called active link. When I release it, then its color is changed to some other color and we have gone to another page. So जब मैंने release किया तो वो show नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे, but क्योंकि हम दूसरे page पे गए because we went to the second page. So over here, if you see over here, we have mentioned that after clicking, after visited page, by default it is blue, but after visiting it will become green. Matlab first time when you are opening the file it is blue, when you click it, so after clicking it is green. So that's why it is showing you right now green. But if you open the file first time, then it will show you definitely blue. Right now it would be blue, but after clicking definitely it has been clicked now, so that's why it is showing you the green. Okay, anyway, so now we are going to do some other work. This is given on your books, page number 70. Page number 70. Now we are going to discuss some more things about the linking, and it is basically a quiz example. Okay, we have to make one quick quiz example. मतलब on first page there is a quiz, question and answer given. Questions are given on the page, and when you will try the answers, if you want to see the answers, you will click on the answers button, see answers button. Then it will lead you towards another page. So this is basically the second type, local. And HTML, now this was the work that we done last time. ये हमने पिछली बार किया था, हमने Google से link किया था. Now this time we are going to link with the local link. We are going to make a local link, मतलब another page of the same website. मतलब quiz is given on one page and another page is there which is containing the answer. So we are going to link it with the answer. So we are going to make two files now. Keep in mind that we are going to make two files. In order to save the time, I have made the files, but I am going to explain the coding for these files. And definitely I will give you these files in your Google Classroom so that you can take this code and you can do practice. Now see, this is basically the quiz file and this is basically the answers file. See the spelling of answers, ANSWERS. So we have to use the same spelling while linking the answer file with the quiz file. Quiz spelling is QUIZ, because spellings are important while you are linking one page to another. If you are writing some wrong spelling, of course the page is not going to be linked. Let me show you the coding now. Okay, I am going to open it with the notepad. Just pay attention and see. Some work is there that we have already done in the previous program as well, where we set some different properties. I am going to paste this text in the Microsoft Word so that I can change some different colors and I can show you that what basically we are doing. Now see, some work is there that we have already discussed in the last topic, so I'm not going in its detail. If someone was not there in the last class, so he will not be able to understand about these things. Which things? That we have given in the head. It is about the colors, you know, colors. क्या colors हैं? A link, standard link will appear in the green color. Visited link, let's suppose standard link will appear in the blue color. Okay, visited link will be in the green color. Then over, when we bring the mouse over, it will become in the red color. And then active link, when we press the mouse, now I have changed something over here. When we press the mouse, then its color will be orange. Okay, this was the thing that we had done last time, but its font design is also being changed. I have mentioned one property which is font family Georgia. Matlab, I am going to change the font from the normal font, from the default font. When I keep it pressed, when I press the mouse cursor on it and I have not released, still I have not released, for that second the font design, font style will be Georgia. It will become Georgia. And similarly, it will also become bold. Why? Because I have applied what? I have applied the font weight bold. Another property I have set over here in order to show you that we can make some other properties over here, font style, font bold, font italic, and some things. These all are the attributes or properties, characteristics of the given text that we are using in a particular tag. Achha, this is the thing that I have changed over here, number one. Okay, so I'm going to show you, just going to show you that this is the thing that I have changed over here. Achha ji, now come to the next thing. Now how I have made the quiz. See the example. ये यहाँ पे, over here it is being ended. That is other thing that is there. Okay, now see in the body what I have mentioned, H2 quiz. And H2 is basically, this is heading. I should not apply this option over here. H2 quiz is coming in the bold. It will be in the heading style, so it will be comparatively in large and bold size. You know that we have discussed about. And what we have mentioned over here, Pakistan's spelling is not correct. Okay, Number one, this P is, I know I had told you in the last class that this P is used for the paragraph when we are inserting a new paragraph. So we have mentioned that which river is known as Yellow River. This is a question. Okay. Which river is known as Yellow River? Second question is that which is the largest province of Pakistan? Some questions are there that you already know. Right now we are not discussing social science or something, but these are just examples. Number next, who was the first Chief Justice of Pakistan? I have taken these questions same as it is. The program is same as it is from your book. As I have told you, given on your books, page number 70, 72. Then I have linked. Acha, now you have seen the questions. Now you are considering in your mind okay, what will be the answers. The answers may be right or wrong. But if you want to see the answer, just like you would have seen on the websites, if you don't know the answer, click on the link to go to that particular page which will show you the answers. So then you are going to see href, the anchor tag is there to link another file. Now see, this is another file of the same website that we are making. Answers.html. Okay. Click here for answer. This text will be displayed. This text will be displayed. Click here to answers. And when we will click on it, the page will be displayed answers.html. Are you getting this point? So what we have done our one page with our other page of the same website that we are making. Matlab, these are two different pages belonging to the same kind of website. I think this thing is very clear to all of you. Now, what is the coding that I am going to make on the website, which is a web page, which is basically containing the answers. Now see this example, answers.html. I am going to show its code as well. I am going to show its code as well, and I am going to explain. Again, answers में भी हमने वही काम किया है. The same things are there in the answers page, but definitely over there we are writing the answers, not the questions. Now see what we have done. Initial steps are same. Okay, we have mentioned doc type. All these things are clear to all of you. Doc type, head, style, a link. Standard link will be in, I think it should be in blue. Standard link should be in blue. It depends on you. It's up to you, green or blue, whatever. Then visited link will become green and hover will become, red, and active link will become yellow. And now we are in the body section, but we are writing head. We are writing heading over here, and we are saying okay, here are the answers. Huanghu is the name of the river that was asked. Okay, the question was that what is the name of the Yellow River? So Yellow River name is Huanghu. Balochistan is the province which is the largest province, and the first Chief Justice was Sir Abdul Rashid. We have mentioned the answers over here in three different lines, and now we are saying we are giving a back button. If you want to go to that page, you would have seen this thing in the websites. Have you seen this thing in the websites? Okay, whenever we want to go back, so there is always some back option or return option. So what we have done, what we are doing, we are giving go to back quiz. Go back to quiz. Go back to quiz is basically the option. And where will we go? We are linking here now a href in the anchor tag. We are mentioning the hyperlink reference as quiz.html. Are you getting this point? Okay, we are now giving a back button, a back option. Okay, when you will click on this text, you will move to the back option. I hope this whole thing is now clear to all of you. Now I am going to show you the output. Okay, I am going to close this file. If you have got any question, then I will give you the time. And you can ask me. Okay. Here is a mistake in the opening tag. Opening tag is h2 and closing tag is /h2. Okay. One mistake was there in the Pakistan's spelling. So I'm going to make it correct. Anyway, now see the output now first. When I go to my, I have saved it here in the folder. Now I'm going to open the page quiz. See, heading quiz is in heading. I have mentioned it in the h2. That's why it is in large font style. Then I have mentioned which river is known as Yellow River, which is the largest province of Pakistan. It is showing you in the green color. Why? Because I have already clicked it. I had opened it before start of the class. So that's why it is showing you in the green color. Otherwise, first time when you restart the PC and first time it will come in the blue color. Okay. So now click here for answers. Acha, now what I changed over here, when I keep it pressed, see the difference. When I keep it pressed, its font style has become to Georgia and its color is now yellow. See this thing. Its font style is being changed and its color. Now I will release the mouse. We have moved to the next page. See here. See here. The next page is another page that we have linked is answers.html. Here are the answers. And we have mentioned Huangpu is the river name, Buluchistan is the province name, the largest province of Pakistan according to area, and Sir Abdul Rashid was the first Chief Justice of Pakistan. And this is another button that we have created over here, which is basically a back button. Okay. And when we click on it, go to back quiz. It will lead you towards the same page, that is quiz.html. See here, the file name is quiz.html. And when I click on this, see that when I click here to see answers, when I will press it, see that there is change in the font design, font style. It is being changed, color and font style. Now you are there on the answers page. When you click on the back button, again you are on the quiz page. So this is how we can make. One important thing is there that we are going to discuss, how we can link an image. If there is an image and we are clicking on it, this is the thing that we are going to discuss. Okay, but before going to that thing, I would like to have only a second to mark the attendance. And I had told you those who are not coming with their actual names, their attendance will not be marked. Keep in mind. You need to be very much careful about it. Okay, you have to mention, and you are not supposed to write your name in some different kind of designs and text styles. No, simple text. Ahsan, Muhammad Ahsan, how you have mentioned your name? From next time it should be quite simple. Keep in mind. Okay. Okay, Ji, let me see the names of the students to mark the attendance. From Abdul Muiz to Ismail Zishan. From Ismail Zishan to Maas P3. From Maas P3 to Wael Abu Huraira. Okay. And from Wael to the last name Muhammad Ahsan P3B. Okay, fine. So I have recorded these all options. Okay, Ji. Now we should move towards the next thing. Next thing is that how can we make? Now see this example. In this example, if you see that, okay, we have taken the text. If I want to give some image over here, okay, if I want to give some image over here. So how I can give any image for the sake of linking? Is it possible or not? On the quiz page, I am going to give you another link on the quiz page. See over here. I am going to right click on the quiz page. I am going to open it with the notepad. So I will need definitely some picture that I want to have, on which I am going to apply. I'm going to apply what? I'm going to apply a link. Let's suppose here I want to give you uh, first we take an image from the net. I'm quickly going to take an image. Let's suppose searching image, Google search or something. Okay, let's suppose I take this image. This is the image that I want to have on my web page. I'm going to save it on my extension is PNG. I will click on the save button. Okay, now I will go to the text over here. I want to give here a search box. So I'm going to write, let me copy this so that I can save some time. Acha ji, what I'm going to give? I'm going to give here some image. Okay, but I'm going to link this image to the Google. Here I am writing as I had told you last time, how you are going to link with the google.com. You will mention the website name, just like we had mentioned last time. Okay, we will mention here in the http colon and this was basically the text that we had taken. This is an important thing, and you need to be, this was the text that how we were writing to have the image, you know. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to write in this way, google.com. Okay, but over here I am not giving, this is basically the google.com. Okay, so over here I am giving the image now. Let it not be disturbed, and then this is the line that I am going to give you the image. Okay, it should be here. So अब यहाँ पे मैं क्या देना चाह रहा हूँ? Search on the net. No, not text, not text. Image. I want to give image over here. So how I can insert the image? What is the method to write about? I will write image source in between this. How we write the image source? img, then src. Remember? Then equal to, for example, search.png. PNG file is there that I have taken, and then I am going to close it. Okay, this is the image for which I am going to apply. On this image I am going to apply basically. So I will click on the close button. I will say yes, and when I will open it, now you can see that one image is there. Image is not visible. I think there would be some mistake in the spelling or something, but when we are clicking it, so the page is not being opened. There would be some error in it. Let me check. Okay. So this was removed from here. Yes, the image that we have inserted now is basically that we are accessing google.com by the image. Okay. So the image spelling of the file is search. So I'm going to check for the search. Google is being opened when clicking the image, but image itself is not displayed. So we should take some JPG image because it is a PNG image. Search, I'm mentioning here Google search. And could be possible okay, Google search logo. I will take logo. JPG. Okay. This is a Google search logo. I will take this search logo, save image as. So now this time I'm going, this is a PNG image. Let me change it. Search.jpg. Okay. Now, the image basically is not there in the same folder. It is on the desktop. That's why it is giving an error. So we should move the image to the same folder. Keep in mind where you are giving the pages and the images, these should be there in the same folder. Okay, these should be there in the same folder. So over here I have got the image for the search and its properties. I should see the property is JPG. Now I will go to the quiz. The image is not visible, so I should change here into .jpg. Because the extension of the file is JPEG. So here I am mentioning JPEG. Okay, now see, now we see the answer. Okay, what happens? Yes, now this time it is. So if there is any error in the, what was the error? What was the error that I removed from here? The file was not there. It was basically the error. The file was on the desktop. This file was on the desktop, but I had linked it, but it was in the on the desktop. It was not there in that particular folder. So that's why it was giving the error. So now when we click on it, we will go to the Google search back button. And when we click on the answers, it will go to the answers page, back button. So now it is working. We have got, I think, 2 or 3 minutes left. If you have got any question, you can ask me. So what things are there that we have accomplished today? What we have done, number one, linking among different pages on the same website. Matlab, in the same website, we are linking among different pages. Number one. Number two, what we have done, linking, how to link an image with some other page or some website. This is the thing that we have done. So these are the two important things that we have done today. And definitely in the next class, we will be moving towards the audio and video in the HTML document. Yes, Asjad Khan. I have unmuted your mic, Asjad. What is your question? Quickly. Yes. Yes, loudly.
Sir, Yeah, I cannot see the
Which thing?
means it's hand. I cannot see it.
At the end or from the beginning? You have closed your mic, Asjad. Anyone else who want to ask anything? Anyone else? Mohammad Maz.
Sir, how the picture linked to the google.com?
How the picture was linked to the google.com? What was the code that I had mentioned over there? You would have noticed the code. Just like it was the yesterday's work that we did yesterday. See here how we linked. Yesterday we had linked it in this way. Today again we have linked it in this way. For example, if I'm saying google.com, so I will write this complete text in the double quotes http://google.com, and I had given you this text to you in your Google Classroom even last time. Did not you visit the page?